Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video, I want to show you how to insert a date in Word that updates automatically. To do this, I first open Microsoft Word and I want to insert the date at this point in the document. For this, I switch to the Insert tab and in the group Text, I find Date and Time. Here I can now specify both the language and the format of my date and time. If I want to update the date automatically, it is important that this box is checked. When I have finished, I click on OK and the day is inserted. As an alternative to using the menu, I can also use the shortcut Alt, Shift and D. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.